Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, post ng MOLMT. Teka, akala ko ba horror tong P77? Ba't naiiyak ako? Luna, pasensya ka na bunsoy hindi ka namin mabigyan ng mas magandang buhay. At ito na nga, cake ni Miss Barbie Fortesa, gorgeous cake from Butternut Manila. At IG story ni Barbie Fortesa, always so good, thank you so much, Butternut Manila. Makine Sons for the beautiful cake and flowers. At next is the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa on her P77 shirt. Tweet ni Barbie Fortesa, nag-reply siya dun sa Gold with Reviews, what will you watch? Fantastic Four or Sunshine? Sabi ni Barbie, Sunshine. At next naman ay post ni Fatima Mercado sa kanyang Instagram, thrilling reasons to watch Barbie Fortesa's horror movie. At next ay hashtag P77 special brand screening held at Venice Cineplex. Ayun na, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa for P77 the movie on cinemas July 30th. At next ay we stand a supportive friend. Barbie Fortesa's Beauty Empire co-actor Aaron Maniago attended the special van screening of P77 earlier today. Catch P77 in cinemas July 30th. Ay na si Sylvester ng Beauty Empire.
Grabe talaga si Barbie na to. Grabe guys. So, alam naman po natin na magaling si Barbie Fortesa as an actress. Pero dito sa P77, makikita talaga yung range niya as an actress. Horror siya. Ang daming mga iba't ibang issues na pinag-usapan. Like, basta panoorin na lang ninyo. Pero, yung sobrang ganda ng kwento, hindi mo ma-expect sa local scene eh. Pang international siya actually eh. And in terms of the cinematography and the SFX and the background music, lahat sobrang galing. Kaya sana panoorin niyo yung P77, out na siya July 30. Kasi grabe talaga si Barbie na to.
Hindi po kayo magsisisi. Baka ikaw ang magsisi.
Ay na nga, si Sylvester, ang kasapakat ni Noreen sa Beauty Empire. At next naman ay post ni Yani Hates na nirepost ni Barbie, over ka sa prettiness ma, Barbie Fortesa. At nagtrending nga kahapon ng P77 movie, hashtag Barbie Fortesa is Luna at takutan sa P77 at hanggang 11:53 nga ay trending pa rin siya guys. At ito sila Derek Cabrido at si Barbie Fortesa. Napanood ko na, definitely a roller coaster ride of emotion. A must watch. Hashtag P77. At sabi naman ni Noviro Kate, the superstar that you are, Barbie Fortesa, your gift to the industry. Congratulations, Luna, P77. Catch the most intriguing and devastating Pinoy horror film of July 30 at Jimmy Pictures. At next I post ni Just Really, just watch P77 movie and grabe, what just happened? Twist after twist after twist. Just when you think you've figured it out, it flips again. Mind blown is an understatement. Nakaka-proud ka, Barbie Fortesa. At next ay nag-tweet ang Golden Reviews. Salamat, Jimmy Pictures for the invite. Hashtag P77, showing cinemas July 30th. At next nga ay grinit ni Barbie si Goldwyn Reviews. Let's watch this.
Ano? Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my God, it's you! It's you! I can't wait to watch Sunshine. I saw your reviews there. Grabe, sana ganun din sa amin. Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Golden Reviews. This is Barbie. I hope you get to enjoy the film. And please be kind to us.
Oo nga, Goldwyn Reviews, kung 5 out of 5 yung yung Sunshine, sana 5 din yung kay Barbie. Na P77. Anyway, next is more pictures of Barbie Fortesa. At yun na nga, nag-post ang Team Barbie Fortesa, the movie poster t-shirt can be bought at the GMA store in Lazada and Shopee. At yan na nga. So, ayan yung sizes. Bumili ako actually ng 2XL, which is priced at 350. So sana dumating siya ng at 30 para masuot ko sa sa first day of showing. At nag-tweet nga si May ng, guys, unfortunately, not for selling daw yung ganitong design ng shirt. Yung movie poster design lang daw po yung pwede for selling. Ayun na nga sa mas maganda yung t-shirt ni Barbie actually kaysa doon sa binili ko. Pero wala tayong choice. To support Barbie, bibili pa rin tayo ng t-shirt ng P77. At next ay post ng Kapuso PR Girl. Joining Barbie today at special event screening are Greenboat's creator and public affairs senior assistant vice president Anshat Chienza, P77 director Derica Brido, and writer Enrico Santos. Ayan na nga, guys. And narito na si Luna, ready na si Barbie sa advanced screening ng P77. Ayan, more pictures of the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa for P77. Ayan na nga. At next ay post ng GMA Pictures. Sobrang fresh. Akala mo hindi mananakot sa mga manonood ng P77. Look, lead star Barbie Fortesa arrives at the special event screening of P77, the movie. Ayan na nga, napaka-pretty si Barbie at yung mga content creators at the staff ng P77. Ayan, change na ni Barbie yung cover photo niya sa Facebook for P77. Ay na nga, napaka-pretty at napaka-fresh ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayan na nga.
Birthday mo na sa July 31.
Yes.
So, pwede sabihin na isa to sa birthday wish mo na...
Oo, nauna na ang aking birthday wish, ang ating birthday gift, nauna na talaga. Napakagandang regalo nito para sa akin kasi this is a milestone for me actually. Marami akong maraming achievements itong pelikulang ito. Hindi pa man siya pinapalabas. I mean, as an actor, napakalaking milestone na nito para sa akin. So, napakagandang regalo nito para sa birthday.
Ano na lang kaibahan ng birthday mo ngayon? And ano nilulook forward mo? Ilan taon ka na ba, Barb?
28.
Boy, bata pa.
Bata pa ba yun?
Oo naman,
Talaga ba? Sige na nga.
Hindi masaya si Barbie 28 na siya.
Ang kaibahan nito sa birthdays ko, siguro, actually kasi sa birthday ko, thankfully, marami ako ma-attend ng block screenings for P77 kasi the day before my birthday yung showing niya. So, maraming salamat dahil marami akong mga kaibigan at mga brands and fans also na nag-organize ng block screening for P77. So, magiging abala po ako on the day of my birthday dahil pupuntahan ko po talaga lahat ng block screenings.
Bongga.
Books.
Ayun naman pala, pupunta ni Barbie yung mga block screening. Pero parang wala naman ako nakita nag-block screening ng July 31. Parang yung sa Barbie natin sa August 7.
It will definitely bring you into an emotional roller coaster ride. So hopefully lahat po ng genre ay natantosan namin para lahat ng klase ng moviegoers ay talagang ma-encourage namin to watch our film P77. Again, this will be showing in cinemas July 30 po yan.
It was really an emotional roller coaster. Matatakot ka, but at the same time, very layered yung emotions na makaramdaman mo. Mapapaisip ka, malulungkot ka. Like, there are some really heartbreaking scenes in P77 na sana mapanood nyo. It's really a ride. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung makaramdaman.
Itong P77, siguro, if we're going to talk about numbers, there are more than 77 layers of horror dito. It's a different kind of... ano ba? may tutut dito. Nagustuhan ko lang na naging experimental type yung movie na hindi siya yung usual horror na napapanood natin. And hindi lang siya yung iniisip mo na ito yung horror na makikita ko dito. You know, there are some, yung shocking ba or yung mga surprise ba. There's a lot of turn of events na hindi mo na alam kung saan siya pupunta, but at the same time, babalik siya sa pinaka-core message ng movie. I just want to say na it's a different kind of horror experience na dapat nyong ma-experience din mismo sa big screen because first of all, ang powerful ng acting dito ni Barbie Fortesa. As in, hindi ko alam kung ilang balde yung ininom niyang tubig para hindi siya ma-dehydrate sa pag-iyak niya dito. And yun, kakaiba siya.
And I have to say, just when you thought you know the twist, no, hindi mo siya mape-predict. You might think that the twist is in your face, pero all throughout the movie, mapapatanong ka pa rin kung ano nga ba yung totoo sa hindi. So it will really boggle your mind. And I think types of horrors like this are really very intriguing. Alam mo yun, you go into the cinema trying to guess kung ano yung makaramdaman mo, but after watching the movie, it's totally different from what you expected, and it's nice to be surprised.
Ma-enjoy nila. Ma-enjoy talaga na itong movie na to.
Watch P77 in cinemas on July 30.
In fairness, mukhang maganda yung yung reviews nila, tsaka maganda raw yung twist.
Hindi ko na rin maalala. Ganun pala yung pelikula na. Nakakaloka. Ayun, so sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo ang aming pelikula. Again, entitled P77. Sa totoo lang, kunwari lang alam po yung sasabihin ko, pero medyo pinaprocess ko pa yung pinanood ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ipopromote. Horror ba? Drama ba? Trailer ba? Hindi ko na alam. Pwede tulungan nyo na lang kami mag-promote. Kung ano genre, bahala na kayo. Basta it will definitely bring you into an emotional roller coaster ride. So hopefully lahat po ng genre ay natantosan namin para lahat ng klase ng moviegoers ay talagang ma-encourage namin to watch our film P77. Again, this will be showing in cinemas July 30 po yan. We will have our premiere night on Monday, July 28. Woo! Let's do this, guys! Grabe! Ngayon ko lang naalala lahat ng ginawa namin. All thanks to my director, Derek Cabrido. Again, as promised, we will give you a very beautiful, heartwarming, and goosebumps type of movie. Halo-halo ng dapat maramdaman. So sana po ay together with GMA promo team, please do help us promote this movie. Ihikayatin niyo po ang lahat na pumasok sa P77. Sabay-sabay tayong hindi makalabas. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you, everyone.
Grabe naman yung sabay-sabay tayong hindi makalabas. Wag naman.
While she's still here, narinig naman yung audio mo, no? Ay, yung mga staff lang, gusto mo pa-picture kayo. Ito na yung powder. Thank you so much. Better view. I know. Video mo tapos. Okay na, saan
Ay nakakasama ni Barbie si Tito Tony at si Barbie nga pinipilahan para magpa-picture.
sa mga
Grabe ang haba nga nung video. Kaya puputulin na natin.
We've been getting mixed reactions na na-move din po talaga sila sa storya ng pelikula namin. So sana overall it would resonate to all of you na napakalalim po ng pelikula namin, napakatalino ng pagka-horror. Hindi lang po kami basta manggugulat, pero it will leave you with a lot of realizations about life, about family as well, and about your personal issues, yung inyong problema. So sana po ay marami po kayong matutunan sa aming pelikula. Thank you.
And now the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa with the Direct Cabrido. And yun yung mga sa GMA7. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!